Ready for summer? Follow along as we show you how easy it is to install a window AC unit so you can beat the heat. Here's how. First, ensure your window is up to the task. Then grab that measuring tape. It'll make installation a lot smoother. Now you can pick the one that's perfect for your room, like this OmniMax unit. It's eco-friendly with a remote and 24-hour timer. For simple sealing, it comes with a shutter frame that helps keep the cold air where it's supposed to be, inside. It slides right in, super easily. A handy tidbit: plants don't love direct airflow, so it's best to move them. Now it's ready to place. Any gaps are a no-no, so inspect the window and shutter carefully. Then simply screw it in. Brace it so it doesn't fall out of the window. The sealing sponge is a simple way to keep the cold in and the heat out. Installed correctly, window AC units are extremely energy efficient. All finished, quick and easy. Now you can feel cool and comfortable all summer long. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.